Right, this is brand new, and they used it tonight to commemorate World AIDS Day. King County has hit what is called a medical milestone, something called 90-90-90. That means that 90% of the people in the community who have HIV have been diagnosed. 90% of those people are receiving treatment, and 90% of those people have such an undetectable amount of the virus. Still, both advocates as well as the county state, there's a lot of work to be done.
Still here, but differently.
The passing of time creates space for reflection. It's been 40 years since the world started fighting the AIDS epidemic. Wednesday, World AIDS Day, is a day of reflection for Bill Hall.
That person 36 years ago, what would you say now, knowing what you know?
I would tell them that, you just need to stay strong. You need to believe in yourself. And you just need to help each other.
Bill tested positive for HIV in 1986. He speaks now at the AIDS Memorial Pathway in Capitol Hill, a place created to share stories about the epidemic.
It's been educational. It's been hard. It's no longer a death sentence, but there are certain steps you need to take care of yourself.
King County wants to reduce new HIV infections by 90% in the next 8 years. Nonprofits say right now there are barriers to education and care, stating 50% of gay black men will test positive for HIV by the time they're 30.
The black and brown community really are taking the brunt of the HIV epidemic now, and it's still very much an epidemic.
Stephen and Aaliyah are part of the People of Color Against AIDS Network. Like Bill, this is a cause they've been fighting for more than 30 years.
We have to get rid of stigma and have to get to a place where we can normalize HIV like any other medical condition.
So we talk about moving forward as well as looking at the success that's been seen in King County. There are two things that really stand out. The first is that there is now a medication that people diagnosed with HIV can take that both prolong their life as well as slow the disease. Another thing to point out is something called PrEP. That has become very popular in the past decade. PrEP is a daily medication that people can take that prevents HIV, whether it's through sex or through drug usage. So that has become very popular, again, just in the past decade or so. Live in Seattle, Callie Greenberg, King 5 News.